Let's get ready for our upcoming RiseBoro Gala 2020, no matter the odds. This mini tutorial will give you a roadmap to how you can view the event, sign up to donate, enter our drawing, check out our sponsors, and network with other attendees. The times have changed since our 2019 in-person gala. This year, we have reimagined our gala as we will be coming to you this year rather than you coming to us. Welcome to our RiseBoro 2020 virtual event. Let's get started on your tour. First, check your email to find a custom link to your digital ticket for tonight. You can also go direct to our event link via your web browser. Now that you're on the welcome page, you will see that there are a number of options in the upper right: the event hub, our sponsors page, our donate page, networking. In the bottom left, you will see a chat widget. This is for you to connect to our support if you have questions or need help. The event hub is where you'll find all the sessions for all 4 days. Visit this page to attend the panel discussions, resident stories, and of course the live streaming closing celebration. The sponsor page gives you a way to learn more about and connect with our valuable supporters whose generosity supports us year-round. The donate page makes it easy to find links to enter our drawing, win prizes, and give right from your mobile phone, another way to show your support of RiseBoro. The networking page is where you can connect with other attendees, search for friends you may think are attending, and request a meeting. So let's go explore the event hub. Select the event hub and it will take you to a login page. Now that you've logged in, let's take a quick tour. You will find your agenda listed day by day. If you come in early or want to check it out before the live stream, you may want to watch one of our client stories. They illustrate the impact your donation has on our programs and services that we provide and how it directly affects our clients' lives. On the night of the live stream, this is where you will come. Click on the session for the 22nd. You will be sent to a waiting room until the live event starts. Remember, if you are stuck or need help, use the chat widget in the bottom right to ask our live support for help. Once the live stream starts, you'll see that we have integrated Pigeonhole Live into our event hub. It's a simple, interactive mobile website where you can vote on questions that interest you. At the end of the night, we will have a trivia contest and the post-event survey. The first 10 people who answer the survey win gift cards. So please make sure to fill out your profile so we know who you are and where we can send your gift card. The next stop on our tour is the donate page. You can set up your text to pledge. It's so easy. Just text the following to 56512. RB pledge, space, the amount you're donating, space, and your name. And then while you're on the donate page, go ahead and buy your tickets for the prize drawing. It is $25 for one or $5 for 100. And one of our fabulous prizes could be yours. We want to make sure that your virtual gala experience is a successful and positive one, but we know you may run into some roadblocks. That's why we're here with live support. Don't forget that there is a chat bubble on every page that you can reach out to and talk live to anyone on our team. We also have set up a help center which would answer some of the FAQs you may have. We're here to help, and we look forward to seeing you right here at the RiseBoro Gala 2020, no matter the odds. See you there.